Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see a super fantastic Instagram filter, avatar filter like this. You can create the reels or the effects or VFX like this by using this filter. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the red color subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So first of all, open the effect option here and click on the search option here. Then search as avatar here, and you just need to select the fifth filter is just saying the avatar with the arrow mark. So this filter make you the great avatar look. You can see this is the special filter because it has the little animation that on the movie, so it's clear they had created a beautiful VFX, but this filter make you the real avatar like that in that same as like that in the movie with the small elements like this. So you can create a best Instagram reel, or else you can make a VFX, or you can make a short film even though using this particular filter. So you can just click on this and click on the view effect page. There is more than a 94,000 reels has been created using this particular filter. So do you understand, this is a so viral filter among the Instagram. So try this filter, try this beautiful avatar filter and make your avatar reel now. I think this video helped a lot. If it is really helped a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below if you want more content like this, new filters. You just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.